Yeah, and during the time that Maqbool came out and also Namesake, I read a few articles where it seemed to me that you were really fascinated by Tabu. I know she's a... Did you fall in love with her a little bit?
There were two things, there's a concept of love, which you pick it up by films, when you're a kid, when you're a teenage. So there's a concept of love, which is like being one with somebody, and it's sentimental. But as you grow up, as you lead your life, you understand that it doesn't happen in life, right? So that concept is still there in you. That desire to experience
that kind of perfect idea of
love is still there in you. You don't want to lose it. So what do you do with that? You live through films. You experience that through films. So for me, it was a love story where I just wanted to experience that. And Tabu is she's a mysterious woman. She's a gorgeous woman, and her personality, I don't have to think anything. Just look at her and you're in love with her. So I was in a manner I was fascinated by her.
But does that threaten, I mean, you're married to your childhood sweetheart in a way. I mean, you met your wife Shatapa in NSD, you've been married to her for a long time, you have 2 children with her. Did that ever threaten your solidity in the marriage?
It was not like, she's falling in love with me or something, it was, I knew that it's a moment for the film, and it's also, sometimes it crosses, sometimes you overlaps, profession.
So you've never been tempted with...
I don't want to discuss that in front of camera.
Okay, we'll discuss it later then. You're also very antisocial. Because I actually ended up going for the Mighty Heart crew and cast party, and you were the cast member that was missing in between Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt. You chose not to come. Why?
Must be some reason, Must be I must not be here or something.
Don't lie. You don't like to socialize. Is that?
I don't enjoy that much. I enjoy meeting with people whom I like to hear, who can entertain me or who can engage me. It's for me it's tedious to talk.
He says in a talk show.